Amphibious vehicles are among the most ingenious inventions ever created. A vehicle that can move people across a body of water and does the job just as easily on land is an amazing thing. The earliest amphibious vehicles were developed in the late 18th century and continue to evolve through the 20th century. Military amphibious vehicles were in high demand during World War II when specialized landing craft was used to move troops onto European beachheads during the invasions of Sicily and Normandy. The variety of engines that power these vehicles and their capabilities will surprise you. A custom creation from WaterCar, this complete fiberglass 2002 Camaro convertible pulls its independent suspension and brakes from a C4 Corvette. The vehicle comes with 4 usable seats, while the doors are fully functional with the aircraft-style lock assembly, assuring that they are completely watertight in the sea. On dry land, it's powered by a 2.5-liter turbocharged Subaru Boxer engine with 300 horsepower that is linked to a Rancho Type I 4-speed manual gearbox. Offshore, it's propelled by a Berkeley 12JE jet drive, so whenever you feel like taking to the water, just pull up to the boat, lunge, and flip a switch. The wheels are hydraulically retracted, and you got yourself a swimming Camaro. The WaterCar is said to be able to reach speeds in excess of 125 miles per hour, 201 kilometers per hour on land. Once the amphibious vehicle is driven into the water, all 4 wheels are hydraulically retracted with the flip of a switch. Furthermore, the bottom covers that enclose the wheel well are also hydraulically extended to create a smooth, high-speed bottom, helping the WaterCar to achieve speeds of 40 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour on the water. It's a high-speed amphibious car which has been developed by Gibbs Sports Amphibians in New Zealand. It's capable of hitting a top speed of 160 km per hour on roads and 50 km per hour on water. In 2004, Richard Branson, owner of the Virgin Group, used a Gibbs Aquada to set a new record for crossing the English Channel in an amphibious vehicle. Branson cut 4 hours 20 minutes off the previous record of 6 hours, which had stood since the late 1960s. The officially recorded time was 1 hour 40 minutes 6 seconds. For the August 2004 edition of Top Gear magazine, journalist Paul Walton drove an Aquada into and around the Monaco harbor during the Grand Prix of Monaco to watch the event for free. He found the Aquada fast and responsive both in and out of the water, but was too slow to see any of the race. The Aquada was developed in Auckland, New Zealand. The successors to the Aquada are the Gibbs Humdinga and the Gibbs Quadski. Built to your wildest dreams, the Python is the self-proclaimed world's fastest, highest-performing amphibious car ever designed and built. It is quite the hot rod on land or water, equipped with a Corvette engine and rear end, but this unique whip will cost a pretty penny. According to their website, WaterCar.com, they are so confident in their title that they offer 10 grand cash to anyone that builds a faster aquatic car. AAV-7A1 assault amphibious vehicle is used by the U.S. Marine Corps to transport troops from naval ships to shore. The AAVP-7A1 is the most used vehicle by the U.S. Marine Corps. It contains a boat-shaped hull that provides floating capabilities. Its top speed in water is 13 km per hour, while its endurance of 7 hours. The AAV uses a boat-like hull design and powerful water jets to make it one of the world's best amphibious assault vehicles. The AAV-P7A1 is the current amphibious troop transport of the United States Marine Corps. It's used by U.S. Marine Corps assault amphibian battalions to land the surface assault elements of the landing force and their equipment in a single lift from assault shipping during amphibious operations to inland objectives and to conduct mechanized operations and related combat support in subsequent mechanized operations ashore. It's also operated by other forces. Marines call them Amtraks, a shortening of their original designation, amphibious tractor. The sQuba was presented by Rinspeed at the Geneva Auto Show in 2008. It is known as the world's first driving car. This transformer can be submerged at depths of 33 feet and for some odd reason remains a convertible while you're admiring the marine world. No worries though, you may get wet, but at least you've got futuristic carbon nanotubes to hold you and your pals safe secure in the vehicle, and this is a supply of fresh air to breathe from the self-contained onboard system. BMP-3F Marines fighting vehicle is produced by Soviet Russia for its Marines. Its design is based on the BMP-3 infantry fighting vehicle. Its weaponry is tremendous with state-of-art weapons with high mobility. Its operating system is very effective. It has an air intake tube that allows the vehicle to float on water. It can stay in water for 7 hours. Its maximum speed is 10 km per hour in water. Weapons include a 100mm 2ATO gun, a 30mm automatic gun, and a 7.62mm machine gun. Its new variant area is also equipped with reactive armor for better protection. Rinspeed Incorporated is an innovative Swiss concept car builder and mobility visionary. Since 1991, they've also designed exotic concepts and special vehicles for the CES in Las Vegas, the Geneva Motor Show, and other car shows each year, but don't enter into production. The Swiss sports car tuning brand Rinspeed manufactured an amphibious car in 2004, which can go with speed up to 50 km per hour on water. On land, this car hits a top speed of 200 km per hour. It's powered by a 750cc 2-cylinder turbocharged engine. Rinspeed Incorporated was founded in 1979 by Frank M. Rinderknecht, born 1955, and worked with many Tier 1 and Tier 2 suppliers as Harman, Osram, ZF, SAP, Borbit, Dekra, Harding, and many more. Their latest concept car presented at the CES Las Vegas 2020, the Metro Snap, is a close-to-serial production modular vehicle. Yes, even Audi has gotten in on the amphibious movement. Designed by David Cardoso in 2010, Audi created the Hydron, an electric-powered 3-seater automoboat built with the amphibious hope of seeing the production line. Cardoso describes the vision. The Audi Hydron is a 3-seat electric amphibious vehicle with the looks of a road car that can be used as a boat when necessary. Today, most amphibious vehicles are transformed road vehicles. The Hydron, on the other hand, is specially designed to give an original mix between land and water capacities. It has a narrow cockpit to reduce water resistance and is propelled through the water by hollow axial wheels. Each one is equipped with an electric engine that can pivot 90 degrees. So is this the vehicle of the future or another flop of a concept car? Not only the US and Russia are busy strengthening their Marines, but China is also planning to join that club. The Type 97 amphibious vehicle is in service with amphibious mechanized infantry divisions of the People's Liberation Army. It's equipped with hydraulically actuated wave fences at the forwarding hull. Weapons include a 100mm rifled gun and a 30mm coaxial cannon. The vehicle has a maximum speed of 20 km per hour on water and 65 km per hour on road. The Type 97 amphibious vehicle has a crew of 3, a commander, a driver, and a gunner, and is able to carry 7 troops. The commander and gunner are seated in the 2-man turret located in the middle, and the driver with 1 passenger is located in tandem to the left of the power compartment, located at the front right. 6 infantrymen are located in the troop compartment at the rear. There are firing ports in the left, right, and exit doors that allow infantrymen to fire assault rifles or light machine guns from the inside vehicle, even on the move. The vehicle has the amphibious capability designed to swim to shore from a ship. For high-speed swimming, it has 2 large water jet ports. Russian built like the Sherp, the Shaman is a colossal 8-wheeled amphibious ATV. It measures 20.7 feet long, 8.2 feet wide, and 8.9 feet high. This behemoth has a 146 HP Iveco diesel engine that helps it roll at a top speed of 44 miles per hour on land and float at 1.3 miles per hour on water. A hermetic boat-formed frame on the underside of the Shaman makes it waterproof. The Shaman seats 8 plus the driver if you choose the tourist modification. The Hunter mod has 4 beds for a camping expedition in the taiga with 3 of your closest friends. This ATV has several driving modes because each wheel is a drive wheel with individual independent suspension. For example, the thruster mode turns the front 4 wheels and the rear 4 wheels in opposite directions. The crab mode adjusts the wheels for winding trails. The only place you can buy the Shaman right now is in Russia. This massive ATV that literally can go anywhere has a base price of $200,000.